Entering a publication in SERVAL with an identifier. If your publication has an identifier, we encourage you to enter it in SERVAL using those identifiers. In order to do so, click on Enter and then on Yes. Entering a publication is done following 3 steps in the same page. You first retrieve the information from the identifier, you link it to the authors and the units, and then you add the full text. We first choose the institution where the publication was made, UNIL SHUV if it was done at UNIL or SHUV, or external if it did before you arrived at UNIL SHUV. You then enter the identifier, either a DOI or a PMID, and click on Retrieve the data. Please wait while we contact several third-party services to retrieve the data. Don't forget to link all the UNIL authors that participated in this publication. If you can't find them in the list proposed, you can click on Search manually and enter their name or surname, and then click on the plus sign next to the correct person. When you select an author for whom we already know what the unit is, the unit is automatically added to the unit field. If the unit is not added or you need to add other ones, you can just directly type the name in the unit field. Same goes for the teams. Next step is the addition of the full text. Here you will find 2 links that will help you understand what your rights are with respect to your full text and sharing it. Don't hesitate following the personalized advice link that will lead you to Papago, where you will get advice tailored specifically to your case. Once you know which version of the manuscript you can deposit and share, click on the disclaimer and click on Add PDF. Here you can specify all the information about your text. So the version, the visibility, either public, under embargo, or UNIL restricted. If you choose under embargo, then you can set the end date of said embargo. You can also determine the license if you know it, and then click Continue. Please go over all the metadata that were retrieved and make sure that everything is correct. You have now 3 choices. You can either save the information and then continue working afterwards. Then the entry will be at the draft state. Or you can click on Publish and then the entry will become public. Or if you find some mistakes or you'd like to correct anything, you can click on Edit. You will then enter in the Advanced Entry mode. Please bear in mind that when you publish an entry that has a PDF in it, you won't in principle be able to modify it or eliminate it in the future, whereas the metadata can always be modified and edited. You can at any point click on the back arrow to close the entry without saving the changes.